Welcome to this meditation, a journey of deep integration, uniting your body, mind, and spirit in harmony. This practice will help you feel grounded, centered, and connected to your higher self, or the universal energy that flows through all things. Take a moment to settle in, finding a comfortable position where you can be fully present. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale now, allowing the body to relax and become present. Another deep, nourishing breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel the breath move through you like a gentle wave, bringing relaxation and ease. Now bring your awareness to your body. Feel the points of contact, your feet on the floor, the seat beneath you, or your hands resting gently. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine or through the soles of your feet, reaching deep into Mother Earth now. These roots anchor you, grounding you in the present moment. With each inhale, draw in strength and stability. With each exhale, release any tension, letting go of all that does not serve you at this time. Now shift your awareness to your mind. Thoughts may come and go. Simply observe them, like clouds drifting across the sky. No need to chase or resist them, just let them be. Begin to focus your breath. Each inhale filling your mind with clarity. Each exhale washes away distractions. With every breath, you are aligning to your thoughts, and your thoughts align with your intention, creating a space of centered, calm, and open energy. If your mind wanders, gently return to this breath, this moment, this stillness. You are fully present. Now bring your awareness to your heart, the space of your inner wisdom and connection. Imagine a warm, radiant light glowing within you, soft yet powerful. With each breath, this light expands, filling your entire being with a sense of peace, purpose, and love. Feel this light connect you to something greater, a divine presence, universal energy, and your highest self. There is no separation. You are part of the vast, infinite flow of life. Take a moment now to receive any insights, messages, or feelings of guidance from this space. Simply be open and receive. Now gently bring your awareness back to your body, feeling the ground beneath you. Wiggling your fingers and toes, bringing movement into the physical form. Take a deep breath in, anchoring this sense of balance, clarity, and connection. And as you exhale, feel yourself fully present, whole, and at peace. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this integration of body, mind, and spirit with you as you move through the rest of your day. You are centered. You are aligned. You are whole.